Want to know how to disconnect a motorcycle battery with these 3 tools that you already have in your toolkit? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys step by step how I disconnect my motorcycle battery on the Ninja 300. Well, follow me to the garage and let's get right into it. So first, you should be able to find your motorcycle toolkit placed inside the back seat. If you don't have one when you bought the bike, you probably got scammed. Well, don't worry, these simple tools can be bought at your local hardware store such as Home Depot, Rona, Canadian Tire, plus too many stores to be listed out. Inside the toolkit, you will need the 4mm Allen wrench. Second, we will also need the 5mm Allen wrench as well. The last thing on the list is a simple screwdriver, and we are all set and ready to go. So first, we are going to remove the right side cover using a 4mm Allen wrench. Use the short end of the Allen wrench first and push down towards the left side for leverage to make the screw loose. Switch to the long end of the Allen wrench and use it as a screwdriver to get the screw out. Now use your hands and find the corner of the cover and pull outwards, and it should come off pretty easily. And we are going to do the same thing on the left side. Moving on to removing the seat, take your 5mm Allen wrench and do the same thing on the left side. This one is a bit tricky because the screw is hidden under. Repeat the same process on the right side. Once both screws are removed, pull up and push the seat backwards and it'll come right off. Next, grab your screwdriver and unscrew the battery connector cover on top. Then move it aside. Unscrew the connector on the right and place it on the side so it doesn't touch the battery. If you are disconnecting your bike for storage, you can group the screws together in a mini bag and label it. If you have space like me, I simply put the screws on the parts that I have taken off. Hope you enjoyed that little tutorial. Really appreciate you sticking around with me to the end. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll be making lots of cool content when the weather gets better in Canada.